I would have to say my specialty would be my quirkiness. I appreciate everybody's style and I can kind of drive them in the direction that they're going toward. If you come in and you're like, I love traditional, but I appreciate contemporary, and I love these colors, but I don't want to overdo it, that's where I come in. My background, I came from construction contracting. I have a family construction contracting business out in Pennsylvania from my dad, so I kind of spend a lot of time with him picking out things like walls and plasters and granites and tiles and things of that sort. And to be a part of things design oriented, I'm extremely artistic. So I was trying to find ways as I grew up to like incorporate all of those things into one, and then I discovered furniture, which was one of those odd things where people go, somebody has to do that job, right? And that was initially what drew me into design. What better opportunity than to go back to the place that I started all of this? So I decided to join Furnitureland South's team. I think that working with me is just something that kind of feels like, hey, that's my best friend, or like, hey, that's my, close cousin, because that's the dynamic that I choose for my clients. I prefer it that way.